Okay, now I will show you how to prepare Raita. Okay, so this is the yogurt and this one is the sweet yogurt, but it depends on you whether you like the sweet one or you like the plain one. But both can be used for this Raita. But I like the sweet one, so that's why I took this sweet one. So this is 350 gram and you take the big one, 500 gram as you like. And here is this yogurt I put in the bowl, and here is the onion, half onion cut in very small pieces, and one to small size tomato cut in very small pieces, this one, and this one is the salt, and this one is the black pepper powder, peppered nero powder, it's Italian name. So okay, this is cumin seeds. Okay, here is the yogurt. Okay, and I will put this onion in it, small, cut in small size, tomato in it. Okay, and put a little salt. It's up to you how much you like, according to your requirement, and little black pepper powder, and cumin seeds. Oh, sorry. Okay, just 1 spoon of these seeds, maybe less than 1. Then you can stir it. And this raita is ready now, so you can eat it with the rice.